G'day cocktail lovers. This cocktail is called the Carmen Miranda. I assume because it has a banana element, a reference to banana headdress Carmen Miranda wore in a movie or two. I'm not that big on my Carmen Miranda history. I did look up photos. She doesn't seem to have a lot of bananas in her headdresses, but it's what people have gone with. Now I did see a lot of recipes for this where people are talking about making banana infused whiskey, and there's these sous vide recipes telling you how to banana infuse whiskey. I'm going the easier route of using some whiskey and some banana liqueur along with some other things. This drink, even though I'm serving it like an old fashioned, you could serve it up because it's more closely related to a Manhattan style, except the modifiers are split among multiple elements, so flavors are more complex than an average Manhattan. But speaking of flavors, I am yet to try this, so I'm going to try it. Oh, this could be moving on to my favorite. This is really good. I'm quite enjoying this. I'll show you the ingredients that go into it before we get into the making. This cocktail uses rye whiskey, at least 100 proof is recommended. I'm using a locally made rye from the Gospel Distillery. This one is 51%, so 102 proof, so it fits there. It's like the backbone of the flavor, but there's also amaro in it. I'm using amaro Montenegro. I did see some other ones recommended in some recipes, but there was a bit of variation, so I was like, you know what? I got amaro Montenegro, I'm going with that. As I said, banana liqueur I'm throwing in there, although I'll give you a link. You could actually follow some of these infusion techniques if you're into the whole sous vide thing. I'm not, so I'm just using the liqueur. And there's also a bar spoon of yellow chartreuse in there. There's got some herbal elements, some sweet elements, and the whiskey, and they do all come together really well. Here's how we make it. In a mixing glass, put 30 ml or 1 ounce of rye whiskey, then 30 ml or 1 ounce of amaro of your choice, then about 1/3 of an ounce or 10 ml of banana liqueur, and then just around a bar spoon or 5 ml of yellow chartreuse. Rounding things out, we get 2 dashes of aromatic bitters, and optionally you could put in a few drops of saline to bring those flavors out. Add ice to the glass, stir that for 20 to 25 seconds to chill and dilute the drink, and then strain that into a rocks glass over a big chunk of ice. I'm using some of my sexy clear ice. Commonly recommended garnish for this is a banana chip, which I don't have. You could also, for a bit of fun, put like a confectionery banana on there. A few things you could do. I've gone with it. It's on its own. It looks beautiful. I love the colors, and it shows off the clear ice really well. So I'm glad I served it over the ice rather than up. But like I said, that would be your choice. Do one or the other as fits your tastes, essentially. I'm going to sit down and enjoy this because this is like an 8.5, 9 out of 10. This is a top drink. This falls right into the exact style of drink that I really enjoy. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to enjoy this. Sit down, take it easy, and I hope you're looking after yourself wherever you are, and do hope to see you again sometime soon. Until such time as I do, I will say cheers.